All right, what's up? So on today's lawn care adventure episode, we're gonna start doing those. But we have a Hunter Pro C timer, and I've been having troubles with my timer. The power went out the other day, and well, yeah, been having some problems with it. So we're gonna show you a thing to check. My power went out, which reset my time and day. Now, everything else is fine as far as I reset the time and day. Well, now my timer runs, and I came out the other day and it showed a delay in between a station. I didn't catch this at first, but there were some time and dates sitting right here, which basically, how do you put it? It showed station 3, and then it showed the time here, and then it showed a delay. So I just got done researching some stuff on the internet, and we're gonna see if this will play out here. So I'm going to, let's see here. Let's see if I can reset this tripod here real quick to show what I'm doing here. So we've got this thing set up here. Now, all right, let's see if I can make this work with this GoPro. So I've been told to hold down this button, turn this knob over to there, and release it. And you can see that it's showing a 4-hour and 15-minute delay. That is basically a delay between every single station. So if I have my station number 1 set start time at 10:30, say I have an hour-long program for my rotors. Basically, those things are gonna run until 11:30, and then there's gonna be a 4-hour and 15-minute delay on there. Honestly, I don't even know why they have that set. But now I've got to do this and minus that, clear down, so it's showing hours right now. Boom, there's seconds. So we are going to set that all the way down to 0. Boom. Now I should not have any delays in between my stations. Now let's try this again. We'll hold that down, turn that over to there, and it's showing now we have a 0 delay in between stations. So I believe that just solved the problem I was having. Now if you're having this problem with your Hunter Pro C timer, do that and that should fix your issue. Now, like I said, I've never had this issue before. The power went out the other day, and now I was having this issue thinking, what in the heck is going on? But now that problem is solved. Speaking of, look at that, little birdie flying around up there. Anyways, there's a little bird's nest up in this tree right here. He's probably trying to get back to his babies. Anyways, hopefully that'll fix your problem if you're having the same problem. So, till next time.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken.